What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are currently on the road right now to go pick up my new flywheel. I ended up calling Speed Factory this morning to ask if they have any B-Series flywheels in stock, and luckily they had one left. So I prepaid for it and now we're gonna go pick it up. Plus they were on sale, so that kind of saves me some money. You feel me? So we're gonna go and pick this up, and hopefully today we get it installed and get that CRX back up and running. All right, so we just arrived at Speed Factory, just waiting for them to open up the gate. Oh, it's opening. Yes, sir. Come on. Yes, sir. Okay, we're here. We'll go pick it up real quick. It's Batasgarage. So we're at the Speed Factory headquarters, man. So they gave me some stickers. There's that flywheel right there. Yeah. So yeah, the man himself over there putting in some work, James. Get the stickers. We gonna get this thing running, man. Thank you. But before we go to my house, we're gonna go make another trip to Reliable Wrenchers. I ended up calling him to see if he had any flywheel bolts, and luckily he has some. So we're gonna go over there, pick it up, and go back to the house and get this flywheel installed on the CRX. Ooh, we're at R-Dub. We got MB and Neil in the building, and we got Stupid Young. What's up, Stupid Young? MB and Neil, dark skin Stupid Young, bro. Here you go. What you got here, man?
Alright, bro, chill out.
Nah, bro, come on, bro.
Nah, hell no. Fucking give me that shit.
Bro, no, you're in there. What's up?
Built LSV Tech piston.
Built
rod.
There you go.
Tech.
B18.
B18, no B.
No B. But hey, the man himself, man, Dexter. Catch him on the Grudge races this upcoming what, in a few weeks or so. You see it? R-Dub. Yeah. So the flywheel bolts are right here. We go check it out. Boom. This looks way better than mine, man. 20 times better than mine. Clean. Shout out to you, man. Thank you. Hey, man. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna go give him some money real quick and go on our way so we can slap the flywheel back on and get that car running again. All right, man, so we are back at the house, and the new flywheel bolts compared to my old one looks 10 times better. So I'm kind of pumped up. I've had these bolts for so long, maybe more than 10 years now, since I swapped my very first car, my EF, into a B-Series. So I've had that for a while, man, but with the new ones, they look way better. Shout out to Dex from Reliable Wrenchers for selling me some flywheel bolts, man. So let's get this going. I already sanded down a little bit with a block, so there is no, you know, raised spots, and everything looks pretty flat. I freaking cleaned it with some carb cleaner, and I sprayed some air on it, so there's no more like debris. And yeah, I also went to go buy some thread lockers, so this will not go back, because I don't want any more issues with the flywheel getting loose, because this could have been a disaster, you know, if I kept, you know, just riding that, or, you know, just keep turning that thing on, and eventually the crank might just go out and there's a bigger problem. So let's go and take this bad boy out. Shout out to Speed Factory again for having one in stock for me to pick up today. Literally, I paid it today and we picked it up today. Let's get going, man, because I'm excited to get this thing running again. There you go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. Thing should not come off. Let me get my bolts real quick. Match the dowel pins. So I'm gonna finish the specs for the clutch real quick. It shouldn't take that long, bro. So I'll catch you guys when I'm done with this and we can make the transmission back on there. All right, so let's get this readjusted. Bro, so my camera died once again. That's a bad habit of mine. But we got everything, made it to the block, man. So we're good here. I did struggle a little bit. I think took me like 15-20 minutes just to get it made it to the block, because the motor is at an angle, and you know, once I was jacking it up with my jack, it was straight, so I had to like angle it a little bit, so it was kind of difficult, but we got her in there. I even turned the crank and everything is spinning, axles, clutch. I put my phone on there just to see if, you know, recorded it, and it was spinning properly, so we're good here. But it is getting late. I am getting tired because I've been moving around since the morning, man. So I'm probably gonna finish this tomorrow once we're off of work, and hopefully we'll get this thing fired up. Like I said, we've been running around. We went to Speed Factory, then we went to work, and we went to Reliable Renters. So I'm super tired, and I'm about to call it a night, man. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. So it is the next day. It is early in the morning. I woke up pretty early. we are gonna do some work right now before I go to work. I think I have like an hour and a half, so we're gonna do as much as we can before then. So the half shaft and the 2 bolts on the T-bracket all bolted up pretty tight. I have 1 more bolt for the transmission on the bottom side, and we should be good by then. Tight. So we are pretty much done, man. Got everything all mounted, the headers, the starters, the axles. I gotta put the nut on there, the oil pan. What else? Pretty much everything is all torqued down. I gotta do the timing right after work. I have like 30 minutes to get to my job, so I'm gonna go inside and get ready. But once we are off of work, we're gonna come back here straight and get this thing going, you know. So it should be able to start right away. Once I get all like the fluid and the timing belt on there, we should have no issue at all. But we did do a whole bunch of stuff within that hour and 30 minutes that we had, so I'm pretty happy. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go to work real quick, and I'll catch you guys again in a little bit. Alright, we should be good to go. I'm gonna go inside and start this bad boy. Alright, moment of truth, bro. I'm gonna put the cap back on the valve cover. We're gonna get this thing started, baby. Alright. Fuel is priming. Hey, this thing started up right away. And it's not knocking, bro. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Jeez. Cool, I'm gonna turn this off, man. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna turn it off. I am so pumped up, bro. We saved the motor. There is no weird clunking, rattling, no weird noises, bro, whatsoever. So we just saved a whole bunch of money, bro. The car fires right up right away, and man, she sounds good. All I gotta do now is add the coolant, cause there's no coolant at all. It's just empty. But I'm probably gonna do water. Actually, there's no more racing season, so I'm probably just gonna add regular coolant in there. But yeah, man, I am super stoked that this motor was not damaged. And luckily we did not slap the valves with my pistons. That's what I'm actually like very happy about, because everyone was like, no man, you probably bent valves. But this motor sounds good to me, bro. Ain't no ticking, ain't none of that. And plus, I've had this motor for almost 10 years, like I said before, man. And she's still holding strong. Holding strong, bro. Ooh. So, I'm going to start cleaning up the carport because it is very dirty. Start pretty much putting everything back together, like the wheels, the bumper, tightening up the axles, all of that stuff. I'll do that off camera because everyone knows how to do that. I can't be more happier with the results that we got today, bro, because we saved the motor. And, you know, we didn't have to pull the whole entire motor apart and be sad. But yeah, man, I'm gonna wait for the next race again whenever that comes up, and we're gonna run this thing because I'm still chasing for that 12-second quarter mile. It's capable, it's there. Even my tuner said it's, you know, low 12 seconds, mid 12s, you know, all day. And I'm hoping that we can take the CRX back on a drag strip because it's been too long since this car actually made a pass. And I'm itching like a crackhead, bro. But other than that, I think that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you guys want to stick around and support his current project and the future projects, hit that subscribe button. But on that note, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Peace.